Wow. Good morning over here. I believe this is being recorded. It's going to be a live trading. So after this video, after this meeting, we are going to be posting the video. So very quickly, I am SVFX, Forex. Very quickly, let's dive into the chart and see if the obliques want to see move. It's Monday, 4 minutes after 1 a.m. Nigerian time. So this is midnight here. Okay. Up to now, the forex market is not opened yet. The forex market has not opened yet. So once the market open, what's my plan? I'm planning on going on a long on ADS. I'm planning on going on a long from here. Okay, the market just opened just now. The market just opened just now. But guys, just wait. I was given. Okay. Okay. Sorry, the market hasn't opened. What is this? For the dollar market, DXY market should be as open. The DXY. You can see the DXY has opened. You're not checking DXY if no would have entered for a sell down to this zone. Okay, this is how we are going to be doing it live today. So from the account, you are going to be making, by God's grace, you are going to be making money before they break. This is crypto. I guess I'm in for crypto, guys. You can buy crypto. You can buy the crypto market. This Etron. Yeah, buying crypto market. This is my view. I'm on this trade. I'm on this trade, guys. Here I'm looking to see Etron. So you can buy. I'm on this trade. Price is swinging. We are not in profit yet. BTC is becoming a bad girl. So let's avoid her. Let's avoid BTC better else. We'll be dealing with Etron. For today, you are going to be dealing with Etron. You are going to be dealing with ADJPY and USDJPY. We're going to be dealing with USD right? We're going to be dealing with this gear. Immediately the market opens, we are going to hop on for a sell. Then what else again? AUD. No, not AUD. Euro USD, sorry. And I guess NZD USD should be nice also. Yeah. It would have been nice for one trade. This red point is the overall outlook for NZD USD. Yeah, is the overall outlook for NZD USD. That is where I want to see price drive to. Understand? Guys, I've told you guys several times. Anyone who cannot analyze the market, anyone who cannot analyze the market like this, guys, those people are just making money from new people, not the market. If you notice, if you have been following me, I'm a contrarian trader. I oppose the market based on my strategy. I don't wait for all those confirmation, bullish engulfing. I don't wait for all those stuff. Once the market has reached my zone, I hoping for either long or sell. So NZD is kind of very juicy for a buy, but we can't buy yet because the market is closed. You can buy up to this side, up to this zone. Or if you want to hold for long, you can still hold for long up to this zone. Definitely price is coming here. Yeah, definitely price is coming there. It's up to you. You're going to be making money this morning by His grace. I told you you can buy this DL. Buy what is it called? Etron. Buy Etron, you see? You can start moving our favor. Buy Etron. There's a guy he pleaded me to trade his little account for him. So I think I bought Etron. Very little account. He was on a drawdown. Okay, then I said fine, then I can continue from his stock. He should send me his login details. He should send me his login details. So I guess from now I bought Etron for him. So let's just see how it play. Let's see how it play. Let's see how it play. Let's see how this account will be in the next 1 hour. Yeah. Let's see how it will be. And again, I think this account is true. These are guys where I just want to help them flip their accounts. Let's see how this also will be in the next 1 hour. I just want to help them flip their account. Guys, note you have to apply proper risk management in anything you're doing. Nobody owns the market, okay? Nobody owns the market, so you must apply proper risk management. when you're buying, make sure you're buying Eton. Make sure you're buying Eton. You see, you're going to be making money by God's grace live. Promise, where are you from? Yeah, okay. Okay, promise, you can now speak. Where are you from?
I'm from Imo State.
Imo State.
Good morning.
Okay, great. Are you trading also?
Yes.
Do you take the Etron trade?
No.
I found your account, man.
But
This is where I give.
I took 2 years.
This is where I give the signal to buy Etron up to an apply property management. So I guess, but Etron is not my main target. See, but you can buy Etron. Let me quickly brief. This video is being recorded and it should be posted. After this live meeting. So the private mentorship. I'll quickly brief you guys about private mentorship. The private mentorship is where if you are new in the forest, the private mentorship is where if you are new in the forest game, you have to take this as a business. You have to take this as a business. Nobody say trading is easy. Trading is very, very hard. That is why they say only 1% are successful in this business. So guys, only 1% are successful in this business. So guys, you have to really, really be dedicated, full focus. Know that if you want to go in for this business, you are going all in. You are going all in. But everything will be easy for you if you are having a mentor. But if you say you want to do it on your own, yes, definitely you will reach that. You get to the top. If you want to do it on your own, you definitely get to the top. But it will take a long time. It will take a long time. Just like for instance, you are going to be searching for gold. When if you have a mentor, the mentor already will just tell you, okay, this is particular place this gold is, instead of you searching for this gold until you find it. But if you're having a mentor, the mentor has already searched for this gold and you know where this gold is, so he's going to direct you directly to where the gold is. So that is very, very easy. So guys, this private mentorship is if you are a forex trader already, we are going to test you, see the level at which you are in this business. Then we are going to level up your forex life. We are going to level up your forex life. Yeah, and you are going to be properly guided on every trade signal you take and every trade you want to take. And you can reach us directly. You can reach us directly anytime to get any information about maybe you want to place a trade, then we can put you through. But if you don't have any knowledge or anything, you want to start from scratch of forex, we are going to put you through, teach you the basics. Know that you can't call yourself a trader when you don't know the basics. You need to know the fundamental basics of forex. You need to know the in and out. Yeah, before you can start placing, before you can start trading. You can't call yourself a trader when you don't really know those basics of forex. You need to know this forex of a thing is just like a school. You need to know the basics, the definitions, what is forex, candlesticks, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, top-down analysis. You need to know all those things. The tools, you need to know all those things because you can't just come now and say you're a forex trader. Because you discover forex today, then you start trading today with your funds. Guys, that is highly risky. You might be profitable today, but your tomorrow, guys, it will definitely deal with you. So you have to be dedicated and focused. You have to be really dedicated and focused. This is great. The private mentorship, that is what we are. That is what we really have. The private mentorship is where we are building machines. Is where we are building snipers. Is where we are building machine guns. People who will conquer the market. I've told you guys several times that if you have a mentor and the mentor cannot analyze the market just the way I'm analyzing the market, guys, you are not only wasting, you are not only risky. I think that is one of the highest risks than that is more riskier than the money you are investing in this forex. If you are having a mentor, most of these mentors, guys, let me tell you the truth, they don't trade. They don't trade. They just have few knowledge and they are sharing this knowledge. Then you think they are trading. Guys, they don't trade. So they lack experience in the market. They lack experience in the market. I'm not telling you this not to get a mentor. You need a mentor. You need a mentor. See, first, you need two things. You need a mentor and a solid capital. Because it's money that make money. And the advice I will give you guys, never borrow money to trade. Never borrow money to trade because trading is under probability. Some people, because of your mentor post a signal, what they used to do, because of your mentor post a signal, then you go ahead and risk way bigger than your account. If you see my post today on Facebook, guys, you can go follow up on Facebook. Go follow up on Facebook. Go follow up on Facebook because this is we. This is we. So if you see my recent post. Looking for this guy. Okay, here is it. If you see my post here, I say your problem must be told, and problem without solution is useless. Let me quickly explain this thing for you. Problem is what the issues you are facing, and if a mentor can identify a problem to you, guys, it won't be nice to leave you on that problem without creating solution. So that is the essence of why I said a problem without solution is useless. Are you sure you're tired of blowing account upon account? If you are tired, then guys, I want to ask you this question. Why are you still repeating the same mistake you know you can avoid? Mistakes you know you can avoid, but you keep repeating it. Over trading. Over trading normally blows your account because your mentor posts a signal. So you thought for sure, yes, it's 100% signal. You went to trade way bigger than your account. You went to play, okay, your mentor said buy, let me say your mentor said buy Euro USD. Then you went to ta 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 ta. You went to place the buy button ta 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 ta. See, they say you can't place a trade again. Then if you get just one, okay, the trade signal might be valid might be a valid trade signal. But you that want to do ta 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 ta, just one manipulation, your account, just one manipulation, your account is gone because your equity won't be able to withstand the manipulation. Yes, the trade signal might be valid or correct, but you went to trade way bigger than your account. Then just one manipulation of one single drop of candlestick, your account is gone because your equity cannot withstand the manipulation, guys. So you need to be very, very focused. This thing is under probability. Is not anybody who is giving you 100% guarantee. That person is a lie. Nobody owns the market. This is the biggest traded financial industry. So you have to be very, very careful. This market is driven by the big boys, the big banks, the hedge funds. So it's no way that we are putting our little $5,000, $100. It's no way. The market is controlled by those guys who are putting tens of millions of dollars. We that we are just juicing out little bit too. We have to just respect ourselves and keep going like that. As far as the market is giving us what to eat. Let me go to the chart. From this one, you're not taking this trade. Let me go to the chart. So you can see Etron. Etron is still moving. Etron is still moving. I'm still waiting for the market to open. Yeah. This is not the market. That's BTC. Let's keep in this market today. Well, we'll be giving it till 2 o'clock. If the market doesn't open by then we just stick to the Etron trade. We'll stick to the Etron trade. Stick to the Etron trade. Let me check this, guys. But I want to. This guy is still showing red. This guy is still showing red. I'm not on profit yet now. I'm not on profit. Let me kind of adjust. And adjust it. Because I'm not on profit. Yeah. Know that Etron is not forex. Etron is crypto. This is DSY. So know that anytime DSY is going up, DSY and other currency move opposite each other. They are not correlated. They move opposite each other. If DSY is going up, currency pairs, all currency pairs will be going down. All currency pair, that is any currency pair that is having USD at the back of it, will be going down when US dollar will be going up. Let me see if I can just do it for you. Okay, let me teach you how. Let me just do a quick brief on how to. Let's get a currency pair. Let me analyze it. Let me analyze it from. Let me analyze it from the beginning. Maybe promise if you're still active. Promise which pair should we analyze? Like which pair is your favorite pair? I want to analyze the pair from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. So which pair is your favorite? I can't hear you. Oh, maybe probably having network issue or something. I promise I can hear you now. Which pair is your favorite pair? Euro
British
USD.
pound.
Okay. I can't hear you. You said Euro USD?
Yes, sir. I said Euro USD
Okay, Euro USD.
and GBP USD.
Okay. Okay, we should do more of GDP. Let me go to GDP. Normally, I don't trade. Please mute your mic. Normally, I don't trade GDP USD. If you can see, please mute your mic. So let me remove all indicators. Ah. So what I'm about to do here, guys, if your mentor cannot, if anyone who you know as a mentor who cannot do such, well, mean that person is not a forex trader. It's just a small clue he's having about forex. He's just making money from the game. So guys, from this is a monthly time frame. At first, what are you supposed to do when you come to a chart like this? Get your high, get your high, get your low. Let me turn them to black. So this is how we train the primary mentorship, guys. So this high here is our resistance, which is our supply. While this low is our support, which is our demand. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear if someone is kabashing in my house. Someone is praying.
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
This is our support. This guy here is our support. Why this one here is our resistance? This one here is our resistance. Price has tapped this resistance twice, and anytime price tap this resistance, what is the next thing we are going to be expecting? We are going to be expecting a up move up to the previous support, up to the previous resistance. So now, what is so now? What are we expecting here? We are expecting a pullback little, then up to the zone. But this trade requires a lot of capital because it's the highest time, because it's a big time frame monthly. So now, guys, since we've know, because in a trade, what you need to know is your next draw on liquidity, where price is going to next. So now, what are we looking to be doing now? We are looking to be buying. We are looking to be buying because price has tested this previous support. Sorry, price price has tested this previous support. You can see price has tested this previous support. And anytime price tested this previous support, what are you going to be looking at? You'll be looking at to sell, to buy. So this is the monthly time frame. This is the monthly time frame. Now, since price is here, we've known our draw on liquidity, which is we want to see price start going up. We want to see price start going up. So now, if you are to analyze this market, okay, now let's drop down to weekly. What are we going to do? We are going to look for another high and low because we don't have that capital to trade the monthly time frame. So this is a high. So this is a high and this is a low. This is a high and this is a low. You can see the high and low. This is a high. This is a low. Let me change their color. So it will be complicated. Remember, we've first gotten our draw on liquidity on the monthly time frame. What you are seeking to do, you are seeking to just buy. You are seeking to buy. You can't trade against the trend. Always, if you want to be profitable in the long run in this trading, you have to catch trend. You have to catch trend. So you can see this is a high, this is a low. And if we are to place our Fibonacci from the high to the low, guys, remember our point, the best point to consider in Fibonacci is 0.5 and 68, 0.68, 0.6 and 0.5. Those are the best points you are to consider in Fibonacci. And anytime price consider these zones, price is likely to retest. I don't know if you understand. Price is likely to retest. Now, and you can see it has tested These are it has tested 0.6. So now if you know what truly you are doing, what are you going to do from here? If you know what you are doing, what are you going to do from here? You will wait for price to retrace, because we have a unfulfilled this 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 recent swing, this swing that I brought this Fibonacci. Usually, promise. Hope you are not. Are you lost? Promise. Are you lost? No. Feel like your network is very giving. Your network is giving issue. So this swing from this high to this low, from this high to this low, is a balanced price range. There is nothing to expect again. There is nothing to expect. So now, as it's a balanced price range, what are we going to be expecting? We're going to work on this swing here. We're going to work on this swing from this low, because price want to retrace, not reverse, retrace from this low to this high. And what did I tell you about Fibonacci? The 0.5 and the 0.6, those are the considerable price points you want your focus should be. So now, definitely price will come to this zone. Definitely price will come to this zone. So we are expecting price. We are expecting to see a retracement down to this zone. You can see we are expecting a retracement down to this zone. That is for price to come down here. From here to here. From here to here. You can see. Now, then if price come to this zone, it will now be a balanced price range. There is nothing to expect again. There's nothing to expect again. So now, guys, let's drop to the daily time frame. You have to be working on every swing. You have to be working on every swing. Also here, we have an unfulfilled balance price range. I want to see price come to this zone. I want to see price come to this zone. I want to see this high. I want to see price come to this high. But currently now, where is price? This is where price is. You can see where price is. This is where price is right now. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a drive down here, right? With a pullback. Once we get this pullback, what is the next place to expect? I will load this to the equation. Around that is the equation. What is the next thing to expect? Once we get pullback down here, then we get a pullback here, a pullback. Then what will be the next move? This will be our next move. Down here. To where? To this unfulfilled balance price range. To this unfulfilled balance price range. So you can see this is what Nico, how you guys doing? Hey guys, this guy is someone I'm really coaching. I need him to be part of it. I'll send him the link. Anytime soon he will join it. Yeah, that is it. But if you know you have a good capital, you can go in for, you can short the market from here. Short the market from here, your stop has to be here. This one they're calling it 1 to 2. Yeah, you're risking 1% to get 2%. You're risking 1% to get 2%. But if you can enjoy enough, you can place your trade upon to this side. You understand? And from here, what are you looking to be doing? You close. From here, what are you looking to be doing? You close the sell, then go in for a long. Go in for a long. You close the sell, then go in for a long up to this zone. Up to this side. So that is it. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. So trading is very is, let's say, easy when you've learned how to analyze the market. At the same time, it's not easy. Anybody who anybody who tells you trading is easy, lie. That's a lie. That's a lie. Anybody who tells you trading is easy, look how far now. Look, you can speak. How far?
Bro, what's up?
You find the realize everything. I've gone really, really far. If now I would have started again. If now I would have started again. So let me just quickly let me quickly analyze the market again. I asked someone to choose a pair that I can analyze for that person, that I can analyze the entire market. That person choose GDP USD. That is how I come up with this analysis. So because we now, let me just quickly. Okay, what's your favorite pair? Nico, what's your favorite pair? Nico, can you hear me? Nico, what's your favorite pair? Nico, I guess it's network. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
What's your favorite pair?
And GDP USD.
Okay, GDP USD.
Yeah.
You guys just like this GDP USD and it's very, very volatile. Very, very volatile. So let me start again. Let me start again. If you come to a higher time frame, this is a monthly time frame. What is the first thing for you to do? Is for you to look for your high and your low, which is your resistance and your support. I'm giving you guys these things for free. This is what I teach my private mentorship students. Look for your high and look for your low. And note, whenever price from your support create a from your support create a resistance, what is the next thing you're going to look for? You're going to look for that support. And when you look for that support, price tap the support again. What is the next thing you're going to look for? You're going to look for that support again. Again.
Okay.
You understand? So now price has tapped this so now price has tapped this support zone. You can call it a support zone, you can call it a demand zone. So and again, price has stopped uh price created a resistance zone, which you can call a supply zone also. Then as price tapped this resistance zone, so where will be your next focus? Your next focus will be the previous support. That is when price came down here. So now as price has established support, where will be your next focus? The previous resistance. The previous resistance, which is here. This will be our long. This will be so those guys that are in hedge fund, the big boys who drive the market. Those are the kind of people that are entering this kind of trade. This requires a lot of capital. So we that don't have that capital, what are we going to do? We are going to break down. At least now we've known our drawn liquidity. What is drawn liquidity? Drawn liquidity is to know where price is going next. This is the zone is going next. We are looking to buy, buy, to buy, to buy. until you get to that zone. So now that we've known this, down to weekly time frame. As we break down to weekly time frame, what are we going to do next? What are we going to do next? We are going to look for our high again. We are going to look for a high again and look for a low. And look for a low. You can see we are going to look for, let me change the color so it won't match with just. We're going to look for a high again and look for a low. This is our supply and resistance. So this is our demand zone, while this is our supply zone. So now, as I said, anytime price comes to this level, what are we going to expect? Is down move to the supply. And anytime you come to, definitely we are expecting zone. And now that we've known our door, our where going to next, what are we going to do when price come to this supply zone? And come to retrace then break the range. You understand? So now we want to trade inside this range. We want to trade inside this range. We want to know if this swing, so this is the range now that we want to trade in. Want to trade inside this range. So how are we going to know if this is a balanced price range or not? We are going to place our figure. If we place our Fibonacci from the high to the low, guys, what are the key? I told you earlier. I told you earlier when I started analyzing this thing. What are the key levels of Fibonacci? Is this 0.6 and 0.5? As you can see, price is ranging within these zones. So what are we expecting now? Is for price to retrace. Is for price to retrace back here. Let me change this one to black. Is for price to retrace back here. Is for price to retrace back here. Right? Then we will get so if price could come here, it will give us a little retracement, then down here. Then when we get this down retracement, what is the next zone we are expecting price to go? To this resistance, where we are. To this resistance. That is the next zone we are expecting price to go. So now, anybody, this is a good entry point, but you can't trade here because it requires a lot of capital. It requires a lot of capital. So if you feel you're a big boy, your father owns a bank. If you feel you're a big boy, your father owns a bank, and you have tons of dollars in your account, you can trade it. It's good. Guys, I've told you before, no matter who your mentor is, whenever he posts a signal, nothing is 100%. If you want to post a signal, you're not like, it's my mentor. This trade is sure. You went and do ta 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 ta. Go and press buy. Till they say you can't buy again. then just one manipulation, one just one candlestick manipulation, your equity won't be able to withstand. Your equity won't be able to withstand that manipulation, and your account is gone. Is gone. So guys, nothing is 100%. You just have to always apply proper risk management. Everybody used to lose in this market. Anyone who say 24/7 his trade signal is accurate, guy, that person is a liar. You understand? It's just that you have to be
Yeah.
smart and take. Just that you have to be smart and take calculated risks. So now, what are we looking at? This zone. This zone. This is where I'm expecting price to come back to. Here. This is where I'm expecting price to come back to. And now, if I'm to trade, let me come down to the daily time frame. And now that price is ranging, where am I expecting this price? This price to come to is this zone. If I'm to trade here, that is number one. I have number two here. This is number one where I want price to come to this zone. Let me take out this Fibonacci. I want the price to be, I like my price to be, remember we are trading in this range. So once price get to this zone, don't forget, this is what I'm expecting. Once price get to this zone, it will come down here, give a little retracement, then come to this zone. Once it comes to this zone, where are we expecting? Our resistance. Our resistance here. Our resistance here. So now we can't wait for price to come. So we have to now, if we want to enter for this trade, what are we going to do? This is our daily time frame. If we place a Fibonacci from this low to this high, we want to see from this low to this high. Definitely this, I think the 0.5 and the 0.6 level, those are compulsory range price must tap. Those are compulsory range price must retest to. So definitely price is going to come to this zone. Price is going to come to this zone. Let me take the price to come to these two zones. If you have the capital, you can go in for a sell. You can go in for a sell. That is the heroes. So you can go in for a sell. They call those guys swing traders. So now, what are we expecting? We know. Let me take this thing. This thing is really disturbing me. So we know price want to come to this zone. Definitely price will come to this zone. Definitely price will come to this zone, and price will come to this zone also. You remember how we got to this zone, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So now we want to trade in this consolidation range. We want to trade in this consolidation range. For instance, zone. Normally, what you have a mentor. What's the mentor will tell you? This is a consolidation range. What's the mentor will tell you? The mentor will say, let me give a just quick example. The mentor will say, you see a consolidated price is consolidating. You see price is see price is consolidating, your mentor will say don't trade. Don't trade. If you see price is consolidating, don't trade. Just map it out. Just do I map it. Just do I map that trade. Your mentor will say just map it out until you see either a breakout, then a retest, then you can enter for a sell here. This is nonsense. It works, though for new traders. And me, I will advise you to go for something like this if you're a new trader. Or you will say wait for price to break either here, or price to break from here. Then wait for a retest, then enter for a long. That is what your mentor will want to tell you if you're a new trader, and it's very good. But if you say you're a mentor, now if you see you can notice this range, right? This range, that is what is happening here. Can you see it, Salika?
Yeah.
That is what is happening here. But if you're a good trader, you've already known that this zone is where we are expecting price to come to. This zone is where we are expecting price to come to. Number one, which is our TP1. Why here is our TP2. So why here is our TP2. So what will you want to do? Remember I told you here, if you're a new beginner, this is what you're supposed to do. That is if you want to trade on your own. But now, so okay, just the way I analyze, what will your mentor want to say is he will say you should wait for price to break here, then come and wait for the retest, then you enter. It's good though. No, that is not good. And they will now tell you again to wait here, price to break either any of these zone, price to break here or the test before you enter. Before you enter for the zone, which this zone here, price can never come to this zone. What we are looking for is a down trade, retracement down to the zone. So you never see price come to this zone. So let me take it out. If you are a trader, this is what you are supposed to do. That is, if you want to trade on your own, this is what you are supposed to do. To wait for price to break. Once price breaks, test. Then once you retest, then it comes to this our zone 1. If you come to this zone 1, what is the next thing to expect? It will come to this point. When it comes to this point, the next thing to expect our downward down to this our zone. Then when it taps this our zone, then is the up movement. Salika, are you getting me?
Hello?
Do you know? See, you understand how to come up with this? Huh?
Yeah. Your mic keeps breaking.
Okay, sorry. Maybe it's the network. So now, if you're a professional trader, what are you supposed to do? You should be able to trade inside this zone. It's just very easy and clear. You should be able to trade inside the zone. What are you supposed to do? Wait for here. What are you supposed to do? You're going to place a buy right now. Place a buy up to this zone. Once you get to this zone, then you place a sell. Definitely to You're going to place a buy. If you place a buy up to this zone, that is, if you're a professional trader, you are supposed to trade inside the consolidation range. Place a buy up to this zone. If you place a buy up to this zone, Once you get to this zone, what are you going to do? Place a sell down, because definitely it will break down to those zone. Do you remember those zone, right?
Yes, yes.
Down to those zone. I know that you cannot just place a buy just like that. You have to come inside the trend, come down to your lower time frame. If you come down to your lower time frame, it has given you this opportunity for a buy. It has given you this opportunity for a buy because there is a place price normally respects, which is this guy. Let me tap it. If I tap it, you see that price respect it, respect the zone. Now let me come here. You can see how price respect this zone and start coming back. You can see it, right?
Yeah,
So
and
now
it went back.
yes. So now what are you going to do? You're going to place, sorry, not short. You're going to place immediately the market open. Now, if you say you want to trade GDP, it's fine. You're going to place a buy. Your stop loss here. Your stop loss here. Then your take profit will be where? Your take profit will be this zone. Your take profit can be this zone. Then once price get to this zone, you can, once price get to this zone, then close this your trade. Close this your trade. Go for long. Go for short. Your stop loss should be here. If price take you out here, your stop loss should be here. Then we are very sure that price will bring the trend from here. We're very sure. So this is a very, very long range. This is a very, very long range. You take profits here. When you take profits here, what are you going to expect? Price we want to retest down. Price we want to retest back. So if you take profit here, you can still enter for a sell. You can still enter for a buy. If you buy up here, take profit. If you take profit, you can still enter for a sell. You sell down. If you enter for a sell, you can enter for a sell. Where will be your take profit? This zone 2. This zone 2 can be your take profit. This zone 2 can be your take profit. Then once you take profit there, once you take your profit there, then you have to come analyze the market again to see what you are going to do next. You have to come analyze the market again to see what you are going to do next. So you can see if you are a good trader, you are supposed to trade from this consolidation range. So now, what are we going to do? What are we looking for? Immediately the market open now, we are going to be buying.
Okay.
Yes. Immediately the market opens, we are going to be buying. Let me just quickly brief you with something now. How can I form this thing? How can I form this thing? I should be able to form this. Let me see if I can form this thing. I can probably do this thing. Green. This one doesn't look like candlestick. Green. Anyway, let me turn this to the queen also. If you have a stick like this, this is going sideways. If you have a candlestick like this and another candle opens, and if another candlestick opens, if another candlestick opens, went up, you can see what I'm doing, right?
Yeah, I see.
And another candlestick open. I just need 3 candles, and now you guys say, oh my God, say you're married.
Yeah.
You're
Hmm?
married. Are you married?
No.
I thought this is your baby that is crying.
No.
If you're having a candlestick like this, know that this is a unfulfilled milestone range. Right?
What did you say?
If you are having a 3 candlestick exactly like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And take for instance, this is a, and take for instance, this is like a 4 hours time frame. This is like a 4 hours time frame. It's like a 4 hour time frame. What are you going to expect here? For what you are going to expect here is why I say this is a unfulfilled balanced price range, because each candlestick, this candle here is meant. This is a gap. This is a gap, and this gap is called a gap. What you are going to expect, definitely the next candle. What the next candle will do for you, if it is a 4 time frame, the next candle that will open will definitely come to this gap. It comes to this zone. I don't know if you understand.
Yeah.
We come is a must. I will show you in a chat. I can't just come and prescribe something for you. I'm going to show you in the chat. And you see that it's like the next candle definitely, the next candle will definitely come to this zone. It's a must. And always note, the wicks do the destruction, The body of a candlestick tells the story. The wicks are not really important. They only do destruction to take people out of a trade. Your main focus should be on the body of a trade, the body of a candlestick. Your main focus. So what are you supposed to do here if you see something like this? If you see something like this, guys, what are you supposed to do? You go for what? You go for a long 100. You go for a long stop loss here. You can see it's going down. I'm a contrarian trader. It's going down. But what do? You went for a long. But if this candlestick is not there, you cannot do anything here because it went correct. But if you can get a retest back to this first candle, back to this first candlestick, that is this zone. What are you going to do? You can get it. This guy. You can get a entry. If you can get an entry here, if you can get a retrace here, if you can get a retrace here, once the candle open, what are you going to do? You're going to enter for a buy. It's going down now.
Yeah.
Now with all these examples, let me show you in the chart. Can you see what I'm telling you now? Look at this zone. It must come. This is the unfulfilled zone. Take for instance, this black candlestick is not there, right? This last is not there. Take for instance, it's not there. Then the next candle. Then this is the next candle. What are you going to expect? You are going to expect another candlestick that will come and fulfill this range, because this is a gap, and normally candlesticks are meant to touch each other. This is a gap, so you wait for another candle to come and tap here. Immediately it tap, what are you going to do? You are going to buy. What are you going to do? You are going to buy. I can't find that example again. What did I show here? You remember the example I gave here, right?
Yes,
Then,
I do.
if you could come, this is a 1 hour time frame. Then if you could come to a smaller time frame, this example I gave, what are you going to see there? You see too much noise. You see too much noise of candlestick, like something like this. You see too much noise that will cause that retracement. Then okay, the too much noise, like you see many candlesticks that will form retracement. I don't know if you understand.
Yes, I do.
Many candlesticks that will form retracement. Now I'm in a 15-minute time frame. Can you see what I'm saying? Can you see? If you come to a 5-minute time frame, can you see? The market just opened.
Okay, the market is open now.
Yeah, but chill. Wait first. We are still chill. Do you know what happened? I think this is starting to get interesting. Wow. The market opened exactly here. Can you see where the market opened?
Yes.
Let me show you. The market open exactly here. This is where the market open. You can see, right? The market
Yeah.
has opened. But now you cannot place a trade. Why? Because you cannot place a trade. Why? Because the spread is very huge now. So you have to wait for like a 30 minute or 1 hour before you can place a trade. Because if you place a trade now, the rate at which your broker will give you will be very high rate. But after 1 hour, they will reduce the rate they will give you.
Okay.
You understand? They will reduce the rate they give you. So now let me take out this thing, then we'll find a good sniper entry. Live, you are going to make money. Live. Like that one is the most. So what did I say here? You can say you understand this zone. If you come to 1 minute, this thing down, you can see the market has opened long ago. The market has opened long ago. So now, so look, I hope you understand this example here.
Yes, yes, I do.
So now, if you want to find our entry, let's see our Eton trade. Yeah. BTC. BTC is juicy for buy. BTC is juicy for buy. Let me come to GPY. This is the trade I have. I have interest in this. I have interest in this GPY. Because if you want to place a trade now, the rate they will give us, the rate broker will give us will be very high. What's the time? So in 2 minutes, another candlestick will be out. In 2 minutes, you are going to be expecting another candlestick on JPY. BTC is good for buy. BTC is good for buy. You want to take the trade. Etron 2 is good for buy, but it took us out. That's good. Took us out. Price can take us out 10 times. Price can take us out 5 times. Price can take us out 3 times. But just your one win, I guess you know how far you recover all what your loss is. Just as you have to place a that is why stop loss is good. you have to place your it has to be a sniper entry. So now this electron, what it's supposed to be the target to go in for another, no shot, to go in for another long, to go in for another long up onto this zone. So if price could took us now, if you could know my rules, my rules is after 2 loss in a day, I'm done with that pair. With that, so this is crypto. After 2 loss, I'm done. So here will be my stop loss. Here will be my stop loss. Let me see if I have to fund my account again. I have to fund my account. Like this.
But then, if you were to trade it in the last account and you don't want to blow the account,
Huh? I can hear you.
sometimes your stop loss would actually blow the $10 account.
Because that is a I'm going for a buy here. I'm going for a buy here. I just enter for a buy here. So you were asking because of it depends on the lot size you put. If it's 0.01, $10 can never blow your stop loss out. You understand?
Okay.
If it's 0.01, $10 can never blow your stop loss. Okay, now you see this Etron USD bar?
Yeah.
Place a buy on it with 0.02 only. Have you
Okay, I
placed a
should
buy
place
on
for
it?
a buy now.
0.02. Have you placed it?
Okay. I place it now.
Have you placed it? You placed 0.02. Etron USD. Etron USD. Have you placed it?
A buy, right?
A buy, yes. 0.02.
Okay. Well, it's not allowing me to.
Why? What are you saying? What is it saying?
It's not saying anything. The lot size where I would change it, it's just vibrating. It's not allowing me to buy.
Uh, Turn it to 0.01. Let me see. Then place it.
Yeah, the same thing.
So you cannot place trade now.
Yeah, I can't place trade.
Why now? What is your capital there?
10.
Are you turn it to 0.01? You turn it to 0.01.
Okay, 0.01.
You turn it to 0.01.
It worked.
Again.
Yeah.
Place it again.
Again?
Yes.
Yes, it did.
Place it again.
It did.
Uh-huh. So now come to place like this, something like this.
Hmm?
So now it's reading, right?
Yes, it's reading.
Okay. You can see this last one I placed, I'm on profit already. I'm on profit already. So now can you see what? You can see?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's just watch. But one of our main focus. I'm going to upload this live. It will take a lot of data, right?
Yeah.
So you can see this is my main focus, this guy. I want to send it. GPGPY. Here. I wish you're having a lot of capital, you would have gone for this trade also. But this is how I risk. This is how I risk. This is how I risk. Now I'm going for the GDP JPY on this same account for 0.3 to sell. To sell. And I will sell again, but I'll be funding the account. I'll be funding the account. I'll be funding the account. So this is my broker. Because it's a juicy trade. Let me see. You can sell this thing. If you have money, sell.
Okay.
Sell JPY for 0.02 only. Just 0.02.
Okay.
So in my broker, this is how I fund my account. I need to connect my charger. Sorry, I want to connect my charger. Yeah. So you play the JP, right? You go. Did you play the JP, right?
Yes, I have.
You can see I'm a profit on JP, right? This account, I don't think is really valid.